Hi everyone, happy Diwali to all of you. So, on this occasion, preparing a very common sweet Kaju Pista roll. I had prepared Kaju Katli in another video, so do check out if you haven't tried that. Take 1/3 cup of pistachios, then 1/3 cup of almonds. Just pulse few times so that it doesn't go to that very fine texture. A little bit of crunch is needed for a better taste. Add that to a bowl. In the same blender, powdering 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add that to the nut mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix. Keep that aside. Now here I am roasting 1 cup cashews. You may skip the step of roasting, but roasting adds a good flavor and helps in getting rid of the moisture in the cashews while grinding. Roast in low flame until it changes to a light shade. Let it cool down and then pulse few times to make a powder. Sift it so that we get a fine powder. Add this back to the grinder and repeat. Now the last few grains left I'm adding to the pista mixture. It's almost 1 tablespoon left. Just give a mix. Into another pan, add 1/3 cup of sugar, adding the same amount of water. Keep on medium heat and let the sugar get dissolved. Add the cashew powder and mix. Make sure the heat is low. Mix well for few minutes. You may add a tablespoon of ghee if you want. Do not cook for a very long time. It would become hard. Keep mixing until it's thick and then take it off. Let it cool down a bit, but not completely. It should be still warm. On a sheet, add some drops of ghee and spread. You can see the mixture has to go into this shape when it's warm, so you need to make sure that the cooking is done right. Place another sheet and roll it. Divide in half. Place another sheet. Take the pista mixture, divide it in half again and roll it out. Place the pista roll onto the end of one part and start rolling. Roll the other one the same way. Keep it on a tray and place in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Then take it out and cut it into a medium length size. And now the rolls are ready. Enjoy with your family on this festive season. Do check out my other Diwali sweets recipes. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.